Hello everybody, it's Sonia. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today to the Dare to Share channel. Well, I am doing a bit of organizing in my kitchen and thought I would take you guys along with me. I need to get some command hooks and I'll show you what I'm going to do. These are some kitchen cutting boards that I have, and lately I have placed them everywhere but where I should actually have them. And so in an effort to be a little more organized, as you can see, I would like to place these on a cabinet door. I'm going to use my command hooks. The ones that I selected were able to hold like 3 pounds, so that'll work perfectly. And this is a simple enough project where if you have young ones, they will get involved and be able to see how things should be replaced when they're using those items, right? So the first thing we want to do is clean the surface of wherever we're going to place the command hooks. For me, it's on the inside of the cabinet doors that are nearest to the stove. And I'm going to go ahead and take care of that right now. Now these command hooks can be used all over the home. You're going to see I'm going to use them in another area in my kitchen. Also, something you want to be mindful of is that when you're using the adhesive, make sure the back portion of the black written area is the side that goes to the surface that you're wanting it to attach to. The red portion attaches to the clip itself. And I have it here. Yeah, so I started thinking to myself, where else can I use the command hooks in the kitchen? And there's a myriad of different places that I'll use them. For example, I'll use them with my my gloves that I use to wash dishes with, and I'll show you what I was able to do. Now my boards wouldn't just automatically hang off of the clip, so I went ahead and just tied some very strong yarn that I did have, and I attached those to my boards, and I was able to easily hang the boards off of the clips like such. Yes, so I started to think, like I was saying earlier, I started to think about how else can I use these command clips, because I bought a couple packets. So I pulled out my hole puncher and I got my kitchen gloves. Now I can know that they are right where they should be, which is on the inside cabinet near my sink where I wash dishes, right? And this is what I did. I hope these 2 ideas were beneficial to you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. This is Sonia saying thank you so much for tuning in today.